Hello guys, and welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I'm about to walk in the house and do a final home tour with the renovations being done. Now I will say when we walk through this door it's not done because me and Chase still have a lot on our list, but the contractors just left and I haven't seen it yet, so let's head inside. Here we go. It's kind of clean. No supplies. Okay, so this is obviously the living room, and you can tell the fireplace isn't finished out. That's because I'm gonna paint that. It was just cheaper for me to paint than to have them paint. But the biggest change in this room and throughout the whole house that you're not gonna be able to see, that we put a lot of money into, are the walls. They were in really, really bad shape. We also got all new baseboards, but all the floors are still original other than the bathroom, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. But here is a look at this space. Now the next room we're gonna talk about is this dining. I know it's really hard not to go over there into the kitchen yet, but in here we didn't really do anything other than the walls. Chase has to go through and put all new hardware on. So anywhere we could save money, we did. So we still have a lot of work to come in here and do. We have to add all new doorknobs, you know, stuff like that. We have to do like the lights and then decorating, but this space didn't get touched much. Now this is the space I'm most excited about, so I'll try to add a picture right here, but the wall came all the way to like right here. You can see the floor right there. So it was closed off. It had super like old cabinets. I think they were original, and they only had it on this side, and then this side there was absolutely no storage. They had like a dresser from a bedroom, and then they had the same setup here, and then there was just like kind of like an island on wheels down there. There was no cabinets. So we didn't like redo the layout. We kept the layout the same to save money, but we added all new cabinets in here. We found this tile on sale for like 41 cents at Lowe's, so I grabbed everything they had, and I think we have like one left over, but we were able to go all the way to the ceiling up there, and I love that. We did it over here as well. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing these shelves for the first time. They just now left. So there's a few things they had finished up. We have to add all new hardware, but Chase is gonna be doing that. You'll see all of this in our decorating videos that's gonna be coming up. This is gonna be a cute little coffee bar. Everything's looking so good. We went with Granite, and this was super affordable. So if you guys need a good granite, I know quartz can be expensive, even granite can, but this was a good one. I'll try to get the name for you. And then this faucet right here was one of the deals Chase found on his Deal Chaser page over on Instagram. So we got a really good deal on that. I will say I think we paid like an extra $2.50 for the sink. They wanted to give us a round one. Like it was gonna be long, but the corners were rounded. I really wanted it squared off like this, and I'm glad we made that choice. Cabinets are alabaster, so it's a lot like the house that we have right now. I wanted to stand over from this side as well so you could kind of see the angle. We're gonna do something really fun on that wall. When we're working in here, we got all new appliances. like I said, we still have to do the hardware, but I am super, super excited. What I love most though is if you want to cook on vacation, obviously you don't have to. I never really cook. We will probably cook in this house just because we're gonna stay here a lot as well. You could cook here and still, we're gonna have bar stools here. People will be eating right there. You can even have a connection to the living room. So opening up this whole wall was one of the best things we did. And then the other thing I'm so excited we went ahead and spent money on was closing this off. You used to open a door and then open a screen door, step down, shut the door, turn, open a screen door, open the other door to get into the garage to do laundry or do anything, where now it's just this cute little hallway. Obviously we had to add floors there because we didn't have the original hardwood floor, because that used to be outside. And so I just put a little trash can there. I'll have to find something to hang up here, and then you can just turn. Now this garage needs lots of work. It's definitely not done yet, but you'll walk out and you can use the washer and dryer. So I love, love, love that we added this little area on, and I love this flooring. Now it's time to talk about the guest bedroom. So originally this was the master because they added on a walk-in closet, but since this is an Airbnb and you guys don't need a huge walk-in closet, like this closet right here will be enough, we're turning this into the guest bedroom and then a kid's room back there. So in here, once again, walls are what we spent a lot of money on. Walls, ceilings, new trim around everywhere. I'll try to find a picture up close of what it was. It was just really outdated, and I cannot believe the difference just like baseboards and trim can make in a space. We did it around the window as well. These floors are original though, and I know it's hard to tell because like the light's coming in, but these are gorgeous. They are 82 years old. We have done nothing but mop them with water. I have a good cleaner I'm gonna put on them that like shines them, but I'll do that as I'm working on the spaces, but it's just amazing. These have held up. We'll be working on the closets. Chase is working on all like the outlets, getting new plates and getting switches, but I cannot wait to get these decorated. They're cute, cozy little rooms, and I just cannot wait to see them styled. The kids' room is gonna be attached to the guest bedroom, but that's just so we could sleep more. So we wanted you guys to be able to bring your families, and if you have kids and them not have to sleep in the bed with you, this is a very cozy house we found. So here, I've talked about this before, but if you're new, we're putting a twin bed here and here with like a dresser nightstand. A funny story, I had one of these pictures for above the beds, but by the time I found them, they were sold out of one of them on Amazon and the other one wasn't gonna make it. So I thought I'll just find something else. I went over on Facebook Marketplace a couple days ago and they had them for sale and they were 15 each. So I got the set for 30 and they're like 24 by 24 and they're like solid wood, nice pieces. I also found a little like big nightstand dresser to go in between the beds. It's like the same color right here, and I found it super cheap on Facebook too. This room's really gonna come together, and it was done on such a budget So I can't wait to share this one with you. And it's in such a small space, and this space right here is gonna be transformed. So originally there was a door here. I'll try to add a photo if I can find one, but it went outside and they had covered it up. So this is what we ended up with. I just think it's gorgeous. It's gonna be the perfect kids room. And once again, I'm gonna keep saying it, I cannot wait to decorate. And we have to put the fan in, but we will be doing this tomorrow, all the decorating. Before I show you how amazing the bathroom turns out, I'm gonna take you into the master bedroom. As soon as I get done filming this, we are eating lunch and then we are decorating this space. So this is one of the first videos you're gonna see to come out. Once again, all the money is in the walls and you guys are never gonna know how bad they were, but I knew and I wanted to get them done. Chase already hung the light in here yesterday, so these are all the fans that are gonna be going in the bedrooms, and then we have really cool lights to go everywhere else. This room just seemed a little bit bigger, and it had a bigger closet because we're not using the walk-in closet, so I'm gonna work on those. It was just so well lit. You can see like the back patio at night. You can see like all the lights on. If you guys missed our back patio makeover, check it out because it actually looks way better than this. But we took everything down because it's been really rainy and stormy here. But these rooms are so, so pretty. And once again, look at these amazing floors that have been here for 82 years and survived everything all the families have put through. It's like they've probably been through so much. Now let's talk about the bathroom. This is another space that just took a huge transformation. So we had this huge built-in shelf right here when you walked in. It was super nice for storage, but we just don't need that much storage here, especially since, you know, our focus is like an Airbnb. We are gonna put shelves here, but they're gonna be like open floating shelves so it doesn't feel as closed off. Everybody did not want me to rip up the floor, the tile, but it wasn't original to this house. It just looked like it, but in person it looked cheap. I'm so glad I didn't listen and we put this down. I'm loving it. I want to add this to my house so bad. And then we had this custom built for in here because it needed to be kind of narrow and we needed to be able to shut the door. So this is all the hardware, still kind of dirty, that we bought for the house. So this is what's going to be on the doors, and that alone changed so much. So just changing out little things like hardware and light fixtures and doorknobs can update your space so much. But this is looking amazing. Here's the light for in here. I cannot wait to see this bathroom done. And then as far as the shower, it used to end like way down here. So we took all of this out. During the process, they installed the wrong shower wall, but it got fixed, and we have what looks like white subway tile in here, but it's not real. So like this grout won't actually get dirty, and so our contractor suggested that since it's an Airbnb and we won't be the ones cleaning it all the time, at least I don't have to worry about this getting super dirty. So I love it, and it does look just like subway tile. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell on camera, but I'll get up close. We added all black fixtures in here. These black pieces I didn't know would be so hard to find and so expensive. I need to clean this out. Yesterday I came and cleaned this entire house, but they came in and had to do a few more things. This wall got all messed up when they had to rip out the wrong shower wall that they put in. So they were in here working today, but I think it looks so good. We are gonna have to get new blinds. These are a little bit too short, and when I go to open them, they like fall down. But for privacy, we have those up. We have a toilet. We can actually like stay here if we need to. For so long, we haven't had any like water or toilets or anything like that. So I'm loving how all this turned out, and I cannot wait to end this video so we can start decorating. Now I'm gonna take you outside real fast. Like I said, we have a video of working on this out here if you wanna see it completed. We just like taking all the decor and pillows down, but they did get the shed painted back here and it looks so much better now that it's like white and matches the house. We have all this yard. We put in a whole fire pit area, but once again, we took it down because of the weather, but that will all be up before we open up for it to be rented. We have a grill right here. Everything has really come together. It took a lot longer than we thought, about a month, but it's done. But everything's pretty much brand new here. So other than the floors, every tub, every wall, every light switch, everything you're gonna touch is brand spanking new. I have so many room makeover videos coming out from this house, so if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button. You are not gonna wanna miss these videos. The transformation is crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.